Hi, my name is Victoria Tellick, and today I'm going to show you, if you just got your new Tech machine, what is a good way to start off to get used to the machine and get a good work at it. So very simple, all you want to do is just turn on your double launchers. That makes those guys pop out. All right. I like to start with the spinning arm. So I take the spinning arm and I just hit it side to side, just until I get comfortable. Closer you get it to the outside, the more speed and velocity it gets. Once I get comfortable, then I hit it and I duck. Just like in boxing, hit, duck. And I alternate side to side. And do about 20 of that. So you just duck and hit. Want to make sure you give it enough of a whack. Comes back around. So you're doing that 20 times. After that, you're going to hit and add in the double launcher. So double launcher. Spinning arm. Double launcher, spinning arm. It takes a little coordination at the beginning, but you're used to it. And then you build from there. Once you feel comfortable with that, then you want to add in the upper target. Upper target. Upper target. Spinning arm, and then add in the jab. So your jab down there, cut, and then just want to throw different combinations around, picking up your speed until you feel comfortable. Another thing you can do, you can just go straight uppercut, jab, jab, and uppercut. But I would always start with the spinning arm. So